yan mga boss. Isang classic, ang Wizard of Oz, ang pinuntahan ng I Love My Culture. Mga boss, panoorin natin to.
Ang Wizard of Oz ay kwento tungkol sa determination, love, courage, honesty, at higit sa lahat ang pagpapahalaga sa ating tahanan. Discover the true charm of the Silver Shoes. Is the wonderful Wizard of Oz true? Panoorin natin ito.
Mysterious. He lives in the Emerald City, and that's a long journey from here. But wait, the Silver Shoes. The Silver Shoes are yours, and you shall have them to wear. The Wicked Witch of the East was proud of those silver shoes, and there's some charm connected with them. But what it is, you never know. Thank you very much. These shoes are so beautiful. But where is the steel emerald? Oh, it is exactly in the center of the country, and is ruled by Oz, the great wizard I told you of. To get there is a long journey. I will give you my kiss, and no one will dare injure a person who has been kissed by the witch of the north.
The reason why we put up Camp Art Kid scholarship or group to augment the interest ng children in performing arts. That's why we are the first one in the Philippines and also in Asia to have a theater group composed of children. So all the actors on stage are all kids. So walang adults.
Kids Acts Philippines ang nasa likod ng genuine portrayal ng mga bata na bahagi ng The Camp Art Kid Actors, ang scholars pool ng kumpanya mula 7 hanggang 15 years old.
The reason why we are doing popular stories for the purpose of familiarity. Kung ano yung familiar na ng kids or existing, we do our own version. The difference with our version is we have a longer version than the usual that we are used to watch. So we feature here the Wicked Witch of the East. In other version, there's no Wicked Witch of the East. And also, the reason why that Tin Woodman became tin. So yan ang parang iba. Every scene, there is a set change. Para at least, hindi monotonous yung set. Kumbaga, nagsiset change, naggumagalaw. So, just to create an element of parang wow, parang nag-iba na naman yung set. May nahulog from taas, may umakyat, ganon. And also, our style of set design is more of the cutouts. It's a 2D element. And also the costumes, kung ano yung costume talaga na needed doon sa scene, is we provide it. We base talaga kung ano yung kinukol ng story. So, hindi sila nag-create. Ang ano namin is just, they will perform.
Nakakatuwang panoorin ng mga bata performing on stage. Hindi lang sila natutong umarte, kundi naunawaan din nila ang kanilang character sa kwento at kung anong aral ang maibabahagi nito sa kanila.
I've always wanted to be a wicked witch because ever since I was younger, I thought that villains in movies are like really fascinating, and it's really fun to do that role because it's really a challenge.
The lion displays so much change beyond the sequence of the play, especially him becoming the very brave lion after the Oz giving his courage.
I learned that if you just do hard work and be patient, you can get anything you want. Just be good. And
I love Dorothy. She's so nice, yet she can be tough. So she's quite like me. From the play, I learned that no matter how wonderful the place is, there's no place like home.
Napakaganda ng layunin ng Kids Acts Philippines na nagbibigay ng libreng seminar on musical play for kids and with the kids, augmenting children's interests in the performing arts. Kaya kung kayo ay interesadong lumahok sa susunod nilang play, ito ang kanilang paanyaya.
We would like to invite everyone to join Kids Acts Philippines. During school days, we have workshops for kids from September to December every Saturday. And during summer, we have summer workshop. And we are inviting you to follow always Kids Acts Philippines, especially the Kampart Kid actors. If you want to see details, you could visit our Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/KidsActsPhilippines. Call us 750-1551 and or 0915-447-8959.
Alright, Audrey, nakakatawa yung mga bata, no?
Naganyan ka ba nung bata
Naganyan
ka?
ako nung bata, nag-voice lessons ako, lahat ng mga pwede nga i-showcase ang talent mo. Kasi alam mo, maganda yan as early, as bata pa lang sila, maganda na nahuhuna yung skills nila at marami silang natututunan.
Kaya
diba?
artista ka na ngayon.
Hindi naman.